We have a plate, naka-plate na dito. Plating for this one. And avocado. We don't have tortillas, so only Nova. Then mango. Just like that, no meat. Oh, see? So yummy. Only mango and avocado. Let's eat. So yummy. Crunchy. But it's good if they are as saute ground pork or ground beef. And the mango should not overripe. Very overripe naman ito. Mango and sliced avocado. So yummy. Wow. So yummy. So healthy. Perfect tonight. Marami talaga. Ay, maganda talaga tortillas. So, but we don't have chips, big chips. Only I think it expired na. Yung chips ng Nova. No? Parang na tayo na loko tayo ng tindera.
Happy birthday, papakaman sila.
Sino?
Sino ang birthday ni Filomena? At saka hindi naman si Filomena mag-isa. Marami man na sila.
Ayun lang nakita ko dun eh.